Have I got a great set of measuring spoons for you? Not only are they silicone, super sturdy though, they can handle extreme temps. So up to negative 30 degrees Celsius, or even 200 degrees Celsius. So when you've got something hot to measure out, no melting of the spoon. So you see here, we've got two different sizes on each one. So this one is 2/3 of a teaspoon and 3 teaspoons. And then this one is 1 teaspoon and 3/4 teaspoon. So all of that is written right there on here. And I'm going to show you also, these are magnetic. So you just pop them right on. They stick great. Super powerful magnetic. So got the 4 different options. I do love the easy storage, but whether you're going to use this for measuring like liquids, you know, baking powders, baking sodas, or even coffee. I mean, they call these coffee spoons, but I know we drink a couple of these. So really, really top quality. I don't think you'll be disappointed in these measuring spoons at all. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. What more can you ask for? And they're magnetic, so easy to store.